All right, everybody. Blizzard warning here in northeastern Colorado, starting at 11, going until 5 p.m. tomorrow night. Most of northeastern Colorado, that is along I-76, and north of that is mostly going to get rain and slushy snow, depending on the temperatures. Temperatures in the region aren't going to be below freezing very much. The reason there's the blizzard warning for the areas south of I-76 and past Logan County, east of Logan County, is because there is a high amount of likelihood of heavy snow and extreme winds. Uh, Most of the region is going to be under high wind warnings tonight. That will start somewhere around 8 to 10 p.m. tonight. But stay tuned.